Miss Dem MC, Miss Dem Chief Judge, fellow members and guests. I didn't make a mistake saying Miss Dem. I just tried to be politically correct and combined words Mr. and Madam. Well, I'd rather tell you the story from the very beginning. Leipzig University, one of the oldest German universities, decided to establish a unified reference to male and female students and professors. The new reference consists of the word Herr, which means Mr., and Professorin, a female variant for the word professor. This decision was explained by the university authorities' desire to avoid gender discrimination. But in my opinion, this change will give cause for jokes rather than improve the situation. This episode is not the only one in Western movement called Fight for Gender Equality. In 2010, Swiss authorities replaced words mother and father with politically correct word parent. France did the same 2 years later. US Department of State went even further and added numbers to the word parent. So now there are parent number 1 and parent number 2. Just think of it. What is more discriminating than calling a parent number 1 and another parent number 2? And how can it be explained to a child that politically correct parent is more appropriate than inborn mother and father? Just imagine. Dear son, I'm no longer your father, I'm your parent number 1. Or number 2, I don't know. Okay, daddy, okay, parent number 1 or number 2. By the way, do you have any idea what to give our mother, our parent number N, as a present for mothers, for Parents' Day? Looks weird, doesn't it? Another example of striving for absolute equality is Swedish school Igalia. The school administration prohibited masculine and feminine references and replaced them with the pronoun hen. Hen is a genderless and artificial word coined from Han and Hon. Which stand for he and she respectively. Moreover, the school library offers few classic fairy tales like Cinderella or Snow White because they have heavy male and female stereotypes. Girls are not urged to play with toy kitchens, and wooden blocks are not considered toys for boys. You know, I was so much impressed by this school policy that I also decided to make up some changes that could improve our life, help fight discrimination, and get rid of stereotypes. First, there shouldn't be more school classes of crafts for boys and girls. Instead of it, we should have something unified with the same curriculum. But what will we have as an outcome? Probably something like that. Second, new gender-tolerant world shouldn't stand such discriminating events like Miss Earth, Miss Universe, and Miss World. This contest should be replaced with Person of Universe, and Person of World contest. But to tell you the truth, I'm afraid even to imagine how will a possible winner of such a contest look like. And third, we should exclude such discriminating words like lady and gentleman, sir and madam, Mr. and Mrs., because these words emphasize inequality. As you may see, there are plenty of evidences of discrimination and inequality in this world. But you know, it seems to me it's not so terrible to have this inequality, or it's better to say diversity. The point is that it is diversity that makes us learn new things about other people and ourselves. It is diversity that brings motion to our life. And it is diversity that makes us, ladies and gentlemen, misters and misses, sirs and madams, not just individuals, but something more, personalities.